Hey guys, this is for the oil pastel project. This is what I call the Stencil Letter project. And if you're at home, you probably don't have these stencils that I have in the classroom. So, I'm going to show you how to make a stencil at home. You're going to need a ruler though, okay, and some scissors. So what you can do with the ruler is, suppose you want to make a letter K, you can pick whatever letter or number you want. Just hold the ruler up here and use the ruler to make your box letter. I'll hold it like this, right, to make a K. Then, like I said, you're going to need a scissor. You're just going to take your scissor and you're going to cut this out, okay? And you'll have something to